Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic crucial for every car owner, your car battery. It's the heart of your vehicle's electrical system, and knowing how to perform simple health checks can save you from inconvenient breakdowns and costly repairs. You don't need to be a mechanic or have a garage full of specialized tools. With just a few basic items and a little know-how, you can keep an eye on your battery's health and ensure your car starts reliably every time. First, let's briefly understand what your car battery does. Essentially, it's a rechargeable power source that provides the initial surge of electricity needed to crank your engine. Once the engine starts, the alternator takes over, powering the electrical systems and recharging the battery. Over time, batteries naturally degrade due to age, temperature fluctuations, and usage patterns. Recognizing the signs of a weakening battery early can make a big difference. So, when should you check your battery? Beyond a routine yearly checkup, pay attention to certain warning signs. These include slow engine cranking, dimming headlights when the engine is off, flickering dashboard lights, or if your car has been sitting idle for an extended period. Extreme hot or cold weather can also put a strain on your battery, making these periods prime times for a check. Before we grab any tools, safety is paramount. Car batteries contain sulfuric acid, which is corrosive, and they can produce explosive hydrogen gas. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Ensure your car is turned off and the ignition key is removed. Avoid wearing metal jewelry that could accidentally short-circuit the terminals. Working in a well-ventilated area is also crucial. Now, let's talk about the basic tools you'll need. Most of these you might already have around the house. You'll want a wire brush or a battery terminal cleaning tool, a wrench to loosen terminal clamps, a clean cloth, baking soda and water for cleaning solution, and optionally, a battery terminal protector spray. The most important diagnostic tool for us today will be a multimeter, which can be purchased fairly inexpensively. Our first test is a simple visual inspection. Pop your hood and locate your battery. Look closely at the battery case itself. Are there any cracks, bulges, or leaks? Any signs of damage to the casing could indicate an internal problem and mean the battery needs professional attention or replacement. Also, check for any white, blue, or green powdery substance around the terminals. This is corrosion. Next, focus on the battery terminals and cables. These are the points where the battery connects to your car's electrical system. Ensure the cables are securely fastened to the terminals and that the clamps aren't loose. Loose connections can impede the flow of electricity, leading to starting problems, even with a healthy battery. Also, inspect the cables for any fraying, cuts, or damage to the insulation. If you have a serviceable battery, meaning it has removable caps on top, you should check the fluid levels. These batteries contain a mixture of water and sulfuric acid. The fluid level should be above the plates inside each cell. If it's low, carefully add distilled water until the plates are covered. Be careful not to overfill, and remember to wear your safety gear. Many modern batteries are maintenance-free and do not allow for fluid checks. Let's try a quick, no-tool test you can do right now, the headlight test. With your car turned off, turn on your headlights. Observe their brightness. Now try to start your car. If the headlights dim significantly or go out completely as you try to start the engine, it's a strong indicator that your battery is weak and struggling to provide enough power to both the lights and the starter motor simultaneously. For a more precise measurement, use a multimeter. Set your multimeter to measure DC voltage, usually indicated by AV with a straight line above it. With the car completely off and the engine cold, connect the red positive lead of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery, and the black negative lead to the negative terminal. Make sure you have a good connection. Now let's interpret those multimeter readings. A healthy, fully charged car battery should read between 12.6 and 12.8 volts. If your reading is below 12.4 volts, your battery is likely undercharged and might need recharging or further investigation. A reading around 12.2 volts suggests it's only about 50% charged, and anything below 12.0 volts indicates a severely discharged or failing battery. These are static, or surface charge, readings, so they're a good initial indicator. While a static voltage test is good, it doesn't tell the whole story under load. For a quick, basic load test without specialized equipment, have a friend start the car while you watch the multimeter. As the engine cranks, the voltage should not drop below 9.6 volts. A significant drop below this threshold, or if it struggles to crank, indicates a weak battery that can't hold its charge under the heavy load of starting the engine. If your multimeter reading indicates a low charge, a battery tender or charger can be a great asset. These devices slowly and safely charge your battery back to full capacity, and can even maintain it during periods of inactivity. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific charger. Using a trickle charger regularly on a vehicle that isn't driven often can significantly extend battery life. If you notice corrosion during your visual inspection, it's time to clean it. First, disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive. Mix a solution of baking soda and water. Apply this paste to the corroded areas and scrub with a wire brush. The baking soda neutralizes the acid. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, ensuring tight connections. Finally, when is it time to replace your battery? Beyond the signs we've discussed, slow cranking, dimming lights, low voltage readings, or excessive corrosion, age is a major factor. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, depending on climate and usage. If your battery is approaching this age range and showing any of the warning signs, it's wise to consider a replacement before you get stranded. Checking your car battery's health doesn't require complex procedures or expensive tools. By performing these simple visual inspections and quick tests with a multimeter, you can proactively identify potential issues, extend the life of your battery, and avoid the inconvenience of a dead car. Regular maintenance is key to reliable vehicle operation. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.